cannot like your family.
Support your sister.
Yes, I'm here to support
The
my
same
sister.
sister
And I'll
who
always
the
support
pastor
her.
told you that she was a witch.
Which pastor?
Am I
Name
right?
that pastor. Name that pastor. Which pastor told you my sister's
The same sisters.
Which pastor? Name the pastor. Is it you? You are a pastor. You. You don't know whether you are confirmed or you are a pastor, my friend. Get the fuck out of here before I fuck you up. We didn't come here for you. We did not come here for you. Don't let me hurt you. Leave. We didn't come here for you. We came to get something.
Can I promise you something?
Promise me.
If I don't kill your sister, then me, I am sick.
You got
What I noticed about the man, two things I noticed about the man is anger, number one. Anger. I talked about it before. The anger that the brother came and subdued him, and yes, that is the anger. Number two, manipulation. Not spiritual, not witches and wizard manipulation now. Manipulation. What his pastor told him, that the wife is a witch. So this is what is ringing in his head that made him take that action. Yes, manipulation. What the pastor said is working in his brain. So that was what really pushed him. Another point, as this is something I saw, what I noticed when I was watching that video, I watched it. I can't even remember how many times I watched, because I really wanted to pick out things. Manipulation, anger and manipulation. Nothing now. Let's talk about women who are in these relationships, domestic violence and relation. Why they don't like to leave? Why they don't like to leave, especially in Nigeria. Number one, what people will say. Yes, what will people say? I don't want to come out. If I come out now, what if people go talk? What people will say. Yes, this is what, and you forget that these same people will be the one to say, why no talk come out now? If for talk, if for not die now, if for talk, you will hear what they will say, so you've been going through this and you could not speak out. But if she speaks out, she will still be the one to say, say all marriage have their own problem. Yes, you have to bear it, you have to try to change him, you have to do this, you have to do that. So these are the reasons why women don't like to live such abusive marriage. Number two, their parents. Yes, especially mothers. You will see your daughter will come and complain to you that this is what the husband is doing to her, and you will tell her, my dear, marriage is for better, for worse. There is no room for you in this house again. Marriage is for better, for worse. You have to bear it. Especially when the husband is a rich man. You will not hear, he's the source of our income. If you leave now, we will suffer. Hunger will kill us. So these are the reasons why most of them will not want to leave. Number three, they will say their children. And they don't want to leave because of their children. They don't want to leave. If they leave now, my dear, your children should be the reason why you should pack your bag and run. I will tell you the reason later. But for now, just know that your children should be the reason why you should run in the first place. Pastors. Pastors will say, stay. The church. The church is against divorce. Christ is against divorce. This, that. They will not bring one quotation from the Bible to just confuse your brain. I don't understand. The pastor is not in that house with you. The pastor don't know what is going on. I don't get it. Some pastors, they will just bring out one quotation just to back it up. God don't like divorce. The church is against divorce. This, that, and that. Then when the woman will not die, or the man will die, You will not start, your church will still be going on. That is the most annoying part. Your church will still be going on, and you will still stand at the altar to preach against that. But why didn't you preach against it then? You were advising her to stay. You were advising her to stay. So pastors, some pastors give wrong doctrine about domestic violence. Number 5 reason why women don't like to leave their abusive marriage is financial insecurity. Yes, because they don't have money. They will say, the man is the reason why I'm feeding, the man is this, the woman is that, me, I'm not working, I'm housewife. Then, because the man knows you are dependent on him, he will do whatever he wants and you will not make pen. Let's talk about pastor. 2 months ago, Ray Worry Pikin, the comedian, shared a story about her friend who died out of domestic violence in marriage. Yes. What killed her? This one is not like she did not speak. She spoke out. She spoke out, but you know the gist. The gist is that the pastor told her not to go. The pastor told her to stay. And now she's dead and the ministry is still moving. Yes, the ministry is still going on. The pastor did not lock his church. The ministry is still going on, but the woman is dead and forgotten. Yes, the woman is dead and forgotten. Now, this one that happened now, the pastor told him that the wife is a witch and he himself is a pastor. Now, his pastor now told him that his wife is a witch. You see? A woman died. The same Ray Worry Pikin shared a story about a woman who died. Why did she die? Because her pastor told her not to give birth to CS. That she must deliver like an Hebrew woman. Yeah, that she must deliver like a Hebrew woman. And that was how the woman just died. With pregnant in the labor room. Where they could just take the thing and bring the child out and save life. No, the pastor said, no, you must deliver like an Hebrew woman. You must deliver like an Hebrew woman. And now the woman is dead and forgotten. The pastor's church is still moving. Now, this one that happened that the pastor told the man that the wife is a witch. Is the church not moving? The church is still moving. The woman is dead. The man is in prison. So please use your brain. Use your brain. You know the good from the bad. You are the one in this pain. So if your pastor say don't go, tell your pastor that I will go. Reason because you are the one who is wearing the shoe and know where it hurts. If you die, nobody will say, oh, if to say I know for tell. No, they will all blame you for not living. Even your so-called pastor will still come out and say, I told her not to leave, but she would have lived now. She would have now. I didn't know that it was this serious. I didn't know it was this serious. That is what. So please, let me end my video here by saying, say no to domestic violence.